Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send USDT from MetaMask to XMO in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT quickly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to avoid any mishaps in the volatile world of crypto. First things first, make sure you have MetaMask installed on your browser or mobile device. If you don't, head over to the MetaMask website, download it, and set up your wallet. Once you're logged in, ensure that your USDT is on the Ethereum network, as that's the standard for USDT tokens. Step 1. Open your MetaMask wallet and switch to the Ethereum mainnet if you haven't already. You'll see your asset list, find USDT there. If it's not showing, you might need to add it manually by searching for the Tether token contract address. Next, log into your XMO account. Go to the deposit section, select USDT, and choose the Ethereum network. Copy the deposit address provided by XMO. This is crucial. Never send to the wrong address. Now, back in MetaMask, click on the USDT token. Hit the Send button. Paste the XMO deposit address into the recipient field, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to check the network fees. They can vary, so aim for a balance between speed and cost. Before you confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the gas fees. Once you're sure, hit send and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Finally, head back to XMO and check your account balance. Your USDT should appear shortly. If it doesn't, give it some time or contact XMO support. And that's it, you've successfully sent USDT from MetaMask to XMO. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so stay vigilant. If this guide helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.